Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's have a quick look at silver and gold and what's coming this week. This is focused on this week alone. So let's actually get straight into it right now. I love these markets, guys. I'm so excited about the opportunities, about the possibilities. If we just learn how to trade these markets well, have a good system, and most importantly, if you watch my stock market update, our job as a trader is listen to the market and respond. Listen and respond, listen and respond. And if the market turns bearish, we have to turn bearish with it. Makes sense? So based on what I've just said there, what's the market doing right now? Firstly, if I squeeze my chart right up a little bit more, we could see that we had this massive false breakout, which means a false breakout simply means that we had this, see how we had this channel in place? Let me just remove this out of the way here. Notice how we had this major sort of channel in place here. Let me sort of bring this down here for a little bit. There. And through there, okay? So notice how we had this channel, okay? But notice how we actually broke back below it. We held and then we got back above this channel. That's a false breakout because it broke to the downside. If it was a strong breakout, we would have held, rallied, and then continued down. Due to the fact we didn't actually rally back up, it did what it normally does, which it comes up, it came back down, tested our support, and now we're rallying. We're rallying along this support level here. So I see gold on a short-term basis. We've got this channel through here. Plus also I've got this other trend line that I drew, and as you can see how valid this is, right? Look how valid this is. We've got all this resistance, all the support level through there, as you can see. And now we've got this 2-level resistance. So I would say this pretty much this whole area through here around that, let's have a look here, around that sort of, as this market continues to go up, I see this thing rallying up probably on it right now, probably likely to around that 1760 to 1780. That may not be this week. We may continue to see some big up moves as we're starting to break up and above this level. But that's what I see at least for this week, guys. I see this thing continue to rally up and continue to see nice moves in gold there. And moving on now through to silver. Silver is doing the sort of the same thing, but I see silver getting up, probably a nice rally up to around the 1650. We're probably likely to see a bit of resistance there around that 1650 level. We have actually got a nice little trend line coming up through here, but I see it at least popping up through to that level there. This whole silver scenario was a major support around $14 there, and we broke below it, and now we're getting back above it. And notice this point through here. Let me delete this trend off the screen. Notice how we had this major support back here in 2016, this major support back here in 2019. Look what happened here on a weekly basis. Look at this here. What happened? We broke down this week. We came back above. We closed it above this week. Notice how we got this. Notice how we actually got the market came down and bounced off that level. And now we're just starting to rally. What does that mean? It's respecting that. One big false breakout. I believe this is the final low before, you know, we see that 2, 3, 4 year big bull run like this here. You know, again, guys, 2, 3, 4 year bull run, right? Not every day. And what it means by that is that we're going to get down days and so on and so forth. So that's what I believe. And I believe we're likely to continue to still see some very nice upward move in silver. And I actually have a target of $19 in silver. So it's going to be really exciting. So that's what I see there, guys. Looking on the short term, silver and gold, what next? I see a lot more upward movement. And it's really interesting, guys, because if you have a look at the whole circulation of things, back in 2008, what happened? 2008, stock market came down, so did silver and gold. 2009, guess what happened? Stock market started to find support and started the rally. So did silver and gold. Notice how what's happening right now is the exact same thing, right? We had that big flash crash for a month, really big move down. And as the stock market's been rallying, so is silver and gold. So everything's been in sync. But 2008 took 12 months, and then this one here took 1 month. So really interesting stuff, guys. Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.